Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Today we are talk about the block diagram reduction method. In this reduction block diagram reduction method, there are certain rules. So we will be talking about those rules and how these rules are going to be used. Is the device frozen? Video is frozen or
Yes, sir. Frozen.
Video.
Sir.
is it working now?
Yes, sir.
Can you see it
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
If it is getting stopped, let me know so I can take the corrective action early. So there were two rules we have discussed. The first was blocks in series, second was blocks in parallel. So if the direction of the flow of the signal is like this, we can make the multiplication of two gains of this block. Okay, if the direction of this signal is like that, G1 and G2, we can add this block. If they are connected in parallel, we can convert into one equivalent block, that is algebraic summation of this. Okay, so the depending upon the sign of this block, we'll be using this sign over here. If it is a minus and minus over here, I will be writing minus G1, okay, and minus G2. Okay, similarly you can do the things over here. Third, we have taken as an associate law. Okay, so for associate law, we have taken the help of this two summing point. Okay, I'm giving the name as a summing point. So the flow of the direction is like this. You will be having r, this is your summing point number one, summing point number two. Okay, it is x, it is your y. Let us say both the sign are minus. I can interchange the position of the summing point number one and summing point number two. Okay, like this one and this one. Oh, sorry, this should be x and this will be r y. Okay, so I can do this because my ultimate answer will be r minus x minus y. Okay, over here your answer will be r minus y minus x. In both the cases your answer
Sir,
is
video is frozen.
Sir, video is frozen.
વિડીયો પોઝ થઈ ગયો છે તમારો.
just wait. I hope it is visible now. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so associate law will be used over here. Whenever you are having a two summing point, I can change the change the position of this summing point. Okay, so there are some next rules. Okay, for the next rule, there are few terminologies which we need to understand. Okay, so whenever I am drawing whenever I am drawing any block diagram, So the block diagram will be having this configuration. You will be having a summing point. You will be having a one block. Okay. You will be having a block over here also, and you will be having this kind of a condition. Okay. So this block is in a forward path. So I'm giving as a name as a G1. Okay. So I'm giving name as a forward path block gain. This block name is forward path block gain. Okay. This is in a feedback path because we are taking a feedback from this point. Okay. So I'm giving a name as a H1. So it is your forward path block gain. Okay. It is nothing but your feedback path block gain. So gain of forward path, gain of forward path, gain of feedback path. Okay. It is nothing but your summing point. Okay. Or you can say not error detector over here. You will be saying a summing point. Okay. It is nothing but your takeoff point. Takeoff point. We are taking off something from over here. So this point is nothing but your takeoff point. The point where the feedback signal is taken. Okay. It is nothing but your takeoff point. આટલી વસ્તુઓ જ રાખવાની. Forward path gain છે. A feedback path gain. There is nothing but your summing point. It is nothing but your takeoff point. Okay. So the rule number 4. Okay. Eliminating minor feedback loop. Okay. Eliminating minor feedback loop. For that, what we have to do, we will take one particular loop and then we will find out what is the gain of that, what is the transfer function of that. Okay. So I will be taking this one particular block diagram over here. So there is a summing point over here. There is one forward path block. Okay. It is nothing but GS. Okay. It is having a one feedback path block. Okay. So it is over here. Okay. Input is I am giving as name as RS. Output I am giving name as a CS. Okay. I am writing in terms of a Laplace because we will be using Laplace. The positive sign for the input and the negative sign for the feedback signal. Okay. So over here I just name over here RS is nothing but your Laplace of reference input R of t. CS is nothing but Laplace of controlled output C of t. Okay. Over here I will be getting ES. It is nothing but Laplace of error signal E of t. We are getting error over here. Error અહીંયા મળશે. Okay. GS is nothing but the forward path gain or the transfer function. Forward path transfer function. HS is nothing but feedback path gain or the feedback transfer function. This one. Okay. Another one is your DS. We are taking the feedback. Okay. So it is nothing but the Laplace of feedback signal B of t. RS is input, CS is output, GS and HS are forward and feedback path block gain, ES is error signal, DS is the feedback signal. Okay. So from this particular block diagram, I hope this block diagram is visible to you. From this block diagram, what equation I can write? The error signal મળે છે એનું શું equation થાય? ES, if I want to write ES, what will be its formula? ES is equal to what? ES કેવી રીતે મળે છે?
RS minus BS.
RS minus
RS
BS.
minus BS.
Okay, very good. It is the equation number 1. Okay, so we will be getting RS minus BS. ES is equal to RS minus BS. Second equation, what is BS? BS નું equation મારે લખવું હોય તો what it could be? What will be the value of BS? BS coming is coming from where? અહીંયાથી જો RS સિગ્નલ ગયો, RS minus BS થઈને ES આવ્યો, it multiply થઈને GS આવ્યો અને ફાઇનલ આન્સર શું આવ્યો? CS. ઓકે, તો BS ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? HS ક્યાંથી આવ્યો?
CS માંથી.
Okay, so BS is equal to what I can write? CS into HS. Can I write like this? BS is equal to CS into HS. BS is equal to CS into HS. Okay. Now, what is the value of ES if we put 2 into 1? Put the value of BS in this equation. So it will be RS minus CS into HS. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the value of GS? Sorry, what is the value of CS? CS ની વેલ્યુ શું છે? CS ક્યારે મળે છે?
ES into GS.
ES into GS. I will be saying it is equation number 3. Okay. Now I will make the subject ES. આમાંથી ES subject બનાવો તો it will be your CS upon GS. It is equation number 4. I will compare equation 3 and 4 કારણ કે બંનેની લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ શું છે? ES. So it is equal to CS upon GS. This is equal to RS minus CS into HS. What is transfer function? Transfer function ની definition શું છે? Transfer function ની definition શું છે? What is the definition of transfer function?
Laplace transformation of output upon Laplace transformation of input.
In this case, what is our input and what is our output? Output is CS and input is RS. So your answer should be like this. મારે આવો આન્સર લાવવો છે. એના માટે મારે શું કરવું પડશે? I will cross multiply over here. So your answer will be CS is equal to RS into GS minus GS into HS into C of S. Okay. શું કોમન નીકળશે આમાંથી? In this equation, what will be the common quantity?
GS.
GS.
So it will be GS into bracket RS minus
HS into CS.
HS into CS.
okay. Okay, sorry, don't take this 1 minute. There is a problem over here. Okay, sorry. I will be combining this CS upon RS. I'm writing it over here for you. There is a mistake over here. So I'm writing this equation over here. So this ES equation I'm writing. ES is equal to RS minus CS into HS. That is the equation. And the second equation we have written as ES is equal to CS upon GS. Okay, I will compare this to equation or equate this to equation. It will be like RS minus CS into HS. Okay, and CS is equal to RS into GS minus CS into HS into GS. Okay, now what we have to do, I want to find out CS upon RS. Okay, so CS I have to make a common quantity and RS is over here, but over here there is a one CS over here and one CS over here. So I will move this term on the left hand side. So it will be CS plus CS into GS into HS is equal to RS into GS. Okay, taking CS as a common quantity, it will be 1 plus GS into HS. It is equal to RS into GS. What we want to find out? We want to find out transfer function. Transfer function ની definition શું છે? CS upon RS. So CS upon RS, it is equal to GS upon 1 plus GS into HS. This is our final answer. Okay, so we have converted this block diagram GS HS. Original block diagram was like this, plus minus RS CS. We have converted this block diagram into equivalent. Final answer શું આવ્યો? GS upon 1 plus GS into HS. It is nothing but this. Okay, forward path transfer function GS HS, અહીંયા sign શું હતી? Plus અને minus હતી RS CS. So we have got this answer. Okay, eliminating minor feedback loop, rule number 4. Okay, કદાચ તમને કન્ફ્યુઝન થયું હોય તો આપણે ફરીથી સાઇન ચેન્જ કરીને આનો આન્સર લઈએ. પ્લસ એન્ડ માઇનસ છે, અહીંયા પ્લસ અને પ્લસ લઈએ. સો યુ વિલ બી હેવિંગ અ મોર આઈડિયા અબાઉટ ઇટ. ઓકે, સો હા, if you want to write then yes you can. I will not be sharing any kind of a handout notes with you because students are copying it. Okay, although I will be giving a material, web material, so you can take it. Okay, એટલે આ ફાઇનલ જે આન્સર છે એ હું તમને શેર કરીશ કે આ રૂલ માં શું થતું, આ રૂલ માં શું થતું. Be quick. Okay, now we will be taking another example in order to understand very quickly. So there is again there is a G of S, we will be having a H of S. Okay, CS RS plus, over here I am taking plus, this signal is BS, this signal is ES. Okay, so in this case your answer will be ES is equal to, બંને સાઇન પ્લસ છે તો ES નો આન્સર શું થશે?
RS plus BS.
RS ES. This is the equation number 1. Second equation is of BS. BS is equal to what? CS into HS. Second equation is what? CS into HS. What is the equation of CS? ES into GS. Okay, this is equation number 2, equation number. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to put equation number 2 in equation number 1. If I am putting it equation number 2 in equation number, so my answer will be ES is equal to RS plus CS into HS. This will be my equation number 4. From equation number 3, what I can write? ES is equal to CS upon GS. Equation number 5. Okay, from this equation we have made the subject this one. Then we have to compare it. Compare equation 4 and 5. Okay, so it will be CS upon GS is equal to RS plus CS into H of S. So CS is equal to RS into GS plus GS into HS into C of S. આ ટર્મને આ બાજુ લાવું છું. So CS minus GS HS into CS is equal to RS into GS. Okay, taking CS common quantity, 1 minus GS into HS is equal to RS into GS. So it will be CS upon RS is equal to GS upon 1 minus GS into HS. Okay, so final will be like this. C, this will is nothing but R of S, this is nothing but C of S. It will be GS 1 minus GS into HS. Okay, so what you can conclude? બે કેસ લીધા, એકમાં પ્લસ સાઇન હતી અને આગળવાળામાં શું સાઇન હતી? આમાં પ્લસ સાઇન છે અને આગળવાળામાં શું સાઇન હતી? માઇનસ. What is the difference in answer? What is the difference in answer in both the cases? પહેલા કેસમાં આન્સર આવ્યો હતો GS upon 1 plus GS into HS. What is
Sir,
the
minus sign is there.
Okay, so what we can conclude is if the feedback sign is negative, okay, in the denominator you are getting positive sign. Okay, if the feedback sign is negative, positive, then you will be having a positive, then you will be having a negative sign. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I can conclude over here like this: you will be having one error detector, you will be having your GS, you will be having your HS. I'm writing two signs, minus, plus. Your answer will be GS upon 1 plus or minus GS into HS. થશે આવું? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If it is minus, plus will come. If it is a plus, minus will come. Okay, so the rule number 4 is your eliminating minor feedback loop. એવી feedback loop કે જેમાં forward path gain હોય, feedback path gain હોય અને આવી sign હોય, you can convert this minor feedback loop into its equivalent this way. Okay, this is the rule number 4. Now we will be having a rule number 5 and 6 simultaneously. Okay, so for that we will take another rule. Okay, so rule number 1 minute, let me adjust the theme. So rule number 5 shifting summing point behind the block. Shifting summing point behind the block. Okay, so what is actually the rule is, suppose you are having this configuration. Okay, there is one block in series, you are having one summing point. So let us say the input is R, the gain of the block is G, output we are getting C. Okay, and the input is nothing but Y. Okay, so we want to shift the summing point behind the block. આ સમિંગ પોઈન્ટ ને ઉપાડીને મારે ક્યાં લઈ જવો છે? Behind the block. Behind, that means પાછળ, એટલે આ બાજુ લઈ જવો છે. We want to shift it like that. Now the condition is that even if we are shifting it, our answer should not get change. મારો આન્સર છે એ ચેન્જ નહીં થવો જોઈએ. ઓકે, હવે શું કરવું પડશે? We want to find out the answer. Now for finding out answer, અહીંયા જે સિગ્નલ આવશે એની વેલ્યુ કેટલી હશે?
R.
અહીંયા R is going to multiply it with
RG.
RG. Okay, this signal again will be having a summing point over here. So our final output will be
RG plus Y.
RG plus Y plus
RG plus Y only. Okay, final answer this. Now if I am shifting the summing point over here. क्या शिफ्ट करूं? Behind the block करूं. R, you will be having a plus Y over here, you will be having a G and C. Now in this case what will be the answer?
RG plus YG.
RG plus YG. Is it same?
No.
શું વધારાનું આવ્યું? RG is there. અહીંયા તો આમાં કઈ સેકન્ડ ટર્મમાં શું વધારે આવ્યું?
G.
G.
What does that mean? If we want to shift the summing point over here, we have to cut the G. What does that mean? મારે એક એવી અરેન્જમેન્ટ બનાવવી પડશે કે જેમાં your Y is multiplied with G. Okay, તો G ને મારે કાઢવું હોય તો શું કરવું પડશે? I have to divide by G. So what I will do? I will multiply this signal by 1 upon G. Okay, so this will be your R, this will be your plus, this will be your G. અહીંયા આન્સર શું આવશે? Now અહીંયા શું આન્સર આવશે? R plus
2Y plus Y by G.
1 upon G. અહીંયા sorry, Y by G. Okay, આ Y સિગ્નલ છે. Okay, હવે અહીંયા સિગ્નલ શું આવશે? It is going to be multiplied RG plus Y into G but divided by G. G is going to cancel out. RG plus આના જેવો આન્સર આવી ગયો. Are you getting my point? If we want to shift the summing point behind the block, what we have to do? We have to multiply the inverse of that gain of the block. જો આપણે summing point ને behind લઈ જવું છે, we have to multiply the block gain, okay, inversely. Divide by 1G કરવું પડશે. It is for shifting the summing point behind the block. It is rule number 5. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. Shifting summing point beyond the block. Okay, shifting summing point beyond the block. Okay, so it will be looking like this. You will be having one summing point G R plus, it is again plus Y signal is coming. So in this case, what will be the output?
RG into
RG
YG.
plus YG.
RG plus YG.
R G plus YG. Okay, now I want to shift this summing point over here. અહીંયાથી મારે કુદાઈને અહીંયા લઈ જવું છે. Suppose હું લઈ જાઉં G and this summing point is over here. Okay, and we will be getting C, that is nothing but Y plus plus. So what will be the output? C is equal to, now in this case અહીંયા સિગ્નલ શું આવશે?
RG plus
RG.
Y.
RG plus Y. What is missing over here? First term is as it
G.
is.
G is missing.
We have to multiply G with Y. So what modification I can do? We will be having a G block. શું કરવું પડશે? Y signal is coming. I have to multiply it with
G. Another G.
So we will be having a RG over here. We will be having a YG over here. It is getting, okay, shifting summing point beyond the block. Shifting summing point, okay, beyond ને તમે after બી લઈ શકો અને behind ને તમે before બી લઈ શકો. Okay, we are shifting summing point after the block. અહીંયાથી ઉપાડી અને right hand side લઈ જઈએ છે. If we want to move it right side, you have to multiply that by that gain. If we want to shift the summing point behind the block, we have to multiply it with inverse of that block. It is the difference between these two. Rule number 5 and rule number 6. Okay, now rule number 7. Okay, rule number 7 says shifting take off point behind the block. Shifting take off point behind the block. Suppose the situation is this. You will be having a G block. You will be having a shifting so take off point. Our take off point है, and this is your output. This is your R. Okay, so your answer will be over here. Your signal will be, અહીંયા શું answer આવશે? RG.
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 અહીંયા જે સિગ્નલ આવ્યો એ સિગ્નલનું નામ શું છે? X છે. What will be the value of C? Output શું છે? RG. X ની વેલ્યુ શું થશે? સેમ જે આઉટપુટ લઈએ છે.
Yes.
We are taking the feedback. Feedback પેલામાં શું લેતા હતા? CS લેતા હતા ને, તો CS જ વેલ્યુ આવતી હતી ને અહીંયા. Okay, so these two are same. Now we are shifting take off point behind the block. એટલે આને ઉપાડીને હું ક્યાં લઈ જઈશ? આ બાજુ. Okay, so this is your X. You will be having a G block over here and you will be having a R. In this case, your output is R into G. What will be the value of X now? આ કેસમાં X ની વેલ્યુ શું થશે?
Only R. X is
R.
equal.
Only R.
So what modification I can do? Okay, what modification I have to do? This is your G block. C is equal to RG. X ની વેલ્યુમાં શું મેળવવું જોઈએ? It should be multiplied with
G.
so your X will be now R into G. Shifting takeoff point behind the block. Okay, for behind we have taken another name before the block. Okay, For behind we have taken another name before. Okay, before કરીશું તો આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડશે. Rule number 8. Shifting take off point beyond block. Beyond ની બદલે after भी હું લઈ શકું. Shifting takeoff point beyond the block. What does that mean? You will be having a takeoff point that is G, R and C. C is equal to R into G. Okay, that is X. What will be the X now? R. We are shifting takeoff point after the or the beyond the block. So your new figure will be looking like you will be having a G, you will be having a takeoff point R, G, your answer will be RG, X is equal to R into G and C is equal to R into G. Output to same as રહેશે, but feedback signal is going to change. Feedback signal શું છે? Change થઈ ગયો. So what modification I have to do? This will be your G block, this will be your X, C is equal to R into G, you will be having a R. Okay, શું આન્સર લાવવાનો છે? RG શું આન્સર લાવવાનો છે? X is equal to R. What is additional? R into G. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply it with
1 by G.
1 by G.
Okay, so your answer will be R only. કેમ? કારણ કે આગળથી R G answer આવશે into 1 upon G. Your answer will be like this. Shifting takeoff point beyond the block or after the block. આને અહીંયા લઈ જઈએ તો we have to multiply it by inverse of the gain. Okay, ચાર રૂલ છે. એ ચાર રૂલ shifting summing point and shifting takeoff point, બરાબર? ચાર રૂલમાં તમને શું ડિફરન્સ જોવા મળ્યું? Can anybody tell me? I am just rotating the page or just flipping the page. Okay, you have to shift like this one. First is this shifting summing point behind the block. આને અહીંયા લઈ ગયા એટલે શું કર્યું? Inversely multiplied by gain of that block. Okay, next is shifting summing point after the block. આને ઉપાડીને આ બાજુ લઈ ગયા. We have to multiply it by that gain. પ્લેયરમાં inversely કર્યું આમાં. Rule number 7. Shifting the takeoff point behind the block. આને ઉપાડીને આ બાજુ લઈ ગયા. What modification we have done? We have to multiply it by that gain. Rule number 8. Shifting takeoff point beyond the block. આને ઉપાડીને આ બાજુ લઈ ગયા. We have to multiply it by the inverse of that block. Okay, એટલે તમે તમારા બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ રિડક્શન માટે we need to apply these rules. Okay, so what you have observed in these 4 rules? What is the pattern? બંનેની સેમ છે ટેકઓફ પોઈન્ટ અને સમિંગ પોઈન્ટ ની કે અલગ અલગ છે?
सर
अलग अलग सर.
जो
different.
टेक ऑफ पॉइंट में जिसमें G से मल्टीप्लाई किया उसमें समिंग पॉइंट में इनवर्स से किया.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, whatever the conditions are in summing point, these conditions are getting reversed in a takeoff point. Okay, so if you want to shift it beyond, okay, the same will be applicable for your before, and if you are going for before, it will be reflected in beyond. Okay, so for summing point એટલે એક યાદ રાખશો તો તમને સેકન્ડ ઓટોમેટિકલી યાદ રહી જશે. Okay, so it might happen that you will be having some complex block diagram. In the complex block diagram, you will be having a different configuration, so you can use these rules. So it is your rule number 8. Okay, this is rule number 9. Okay, rule number 9. Okay, sometimes it is often called as a critical rule. Okay, why it is critical, you can see clearly. Okay, rule number 9 is shifting takeoff point after summing point. Shifting takeoff point after summing point. Okay, so it might happen that your configuration will be looking like this. You will be having one summing point as well as takeoff point. So you will be having R. Okay, I am taking X signal over here. Okay, and the input I am taking as a Y. Okay, so it will be looking like this, your C. Okay, it will be plus, it will be plus. What will be the output over here? X no output શું થશે? Only R. Over here your answer will be C is equal to C is equal to
R plus
R plus Y. Okay, now I am shifting takeoff point after summing point. આને ઉપાડીને હું અહીંયા લઈ જાઉં છું. Okay, so it will be looking like this. અહીંયાથી હું આમ લઈ ગયો. Plus it is nothing but Y, R, and it is nothing but X. What will be the output? Output is what?
R plus Y.
Okay, and what is the feedback signal? X.
Also R plus Y.
It is
R plus Y.
in both the cases your output remains same, but the feedback signal is getting changed. શું વધારાનું આવ્યું?
Y.
R plus Y.
Y. R was there, we have a plus. તો plus ને માને remove કરવું હોય તો what we have to do? We have to, it is going to be added.
It should be a minus.
Add કરવું પડશે. આને નીકાળવા માટે શું એડ કરવું પડે?
Negative feedback. Y point ઉપર.
આ એડ થયો તેને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે -y કરું તો નીકળી જાય?
Yes.
Okay, so for that what we have to do? Y is coming from which point? Y ક્યાંથી આવે છે? અહીંયાથી આવે છે?
Yes.
So we have to add one more signal. અહીંયાથી તમારો જે આન્સર આવતો તો એ તો આવશે જ. એમાંથી હું લઈ લઈશ X. So your answer over here R plus Y. R plus Y અહીંયા ગયો. Same is over here. Okay, અહીંયાથી -y આવ્યો. So your answer will be R only. Are you getting this?
yes sir.
Okay, we have to add another summing point with a negative sign. If we want to shift the takeoff point after the summing point, we have to add one summing point in feedback loop. In feedback નો જે પાથ છે એમાં અને એમાં નેગેટિવ સાઇન આપવાની. Okay, rule number 9. Rule number 10. Shifting takeoff point before summing point. Okay, so your situation is like this. You are having one summing point, Okay, you are having one summing point and you are having one. Okay, this is your r, this is nothing but y, and we are getting this x. C is equal to r plus y and x is equal to again r plus y. We want to shift this takeoff point over here. If you want to do so, what modification I have to require? Okay, so it is nothing but r. Okay, output is your y. C plus C is equal to r plus y. So in this case the output is same, but what is the input? Only r. Okay, so in order to get the same result r plus y, what we have to do now? We have to
Plus the y.
Add.
Add the y.
okay, so what you have to do? અહીંયાથી જે તમારો ઇનપુટ છે આ તમારો x સિગ્નલ છે, this is nothing but your y signal is coming y, okay, coming from over here. So r plus y, output remains same. X is only, C is only r. Okay, so for that what we have to do? We have to add y ક્યાંથી આવે છે? અહીંયાથી. X is equal to, okay, so it will be like this. You are getting r over here, you are getting y over here. X is equal to r plus y. Okay, it is your summing point. Okay, shifting takeoff point before summing point. Before માં લઈ જઈએ છે તો શું કરવાની સિગ્નલ ને? Add. After
Minus.
okay,
Minus.
again complementary, shifting takeoff point after summing point. And I have said they are this critical rule. Why it is critical? Our main function is to reduce the block diagram. Okay, પહેલી જે તમે એલિમિનેટિંગ માઇનર ફીડબેક લૂપ હતી એમાં બે બ્લોક હતા, GS અને HS હતા. એમાંથી કન્વર્ટ થઈને એક બનાવ્યો. That means we are reducing the block diagram. Over here, in order to make the necessary changes, અહીંયા શું હતું? એક સમિંગ પોઈન્ટ હતો ને એક ટેક ઓફ પોઈન્ટ હતો. ફાઇનલ આન્સરમાં શું થઈ ગયું? સમિંગ પોઈન્ટ એક વધી ગયો. ઓકે, એટલે એ તમારી કોમ્પ્લેક્સિટી વધારશે, ઘટાડશે નહીં. We want to make our block diagram simpler. અહીંયાથી મારે સિમ્પલ કરવો છે, આ સિમ્પલ ને બદલે શું કરે છે? એને વધારે કોમ્પ્લેક્સ બનાવે છે. So we will try to avoid this. We will try to avoid this. Done. There are 10 rules of your block diagram reduction. Okay, this 10 rule એની જે સમરી છે એ હું તમને આજે અપલોડ કરી દઈશ. પણ અત્યારે જે મેં આ લખાયું ને આવું બધું, એવું તમારે as a part of homework you have to submit. Okay, I will not upload this. Okay, you can take or you can see the video lecture. Okay, એ video lecture જોઈને તમને ખબર પડી જશે. પણ આ જે આખી જે રીતના મેં લખ્યું છે, ઓકે, એ રીતના તમારે સબમિટ કરવાનું છે. Okay, yesterday I have given one homework. Okay, some of the students have done. Okay, mostly have done. Still some of the students have not done. I'm just saying their name. Those who have not completed. Roll number 34, roll number 5, 16, 33, 23, 25, 9, roll number 9, roll number 28, roll number 29, roll number 19. Okay, and roll number 30 you have done, but you have submitted, but somehow you have not returned. Okay, એટલે જ્યારે બી તમે complete કરો તો પછી એને return કરવાનું રાખો. Okay, for this people, is there anyone who is present right now? Whatever the numbers are, I have said. Roll number 19.
Yes, sir.
Okay, roll number 19, 28 તમે નથી કર્યું.
હા સર અત્યારે સબમિટ કર્યું.
અત્યારે
સર હમણાં સબમિટ કરી દઉં છું. થઈ ગયું છે મારે, પણ સબમિટ કરવાનું રહી ગયું છે.
Okay, તો shall I give you a private invitation to submit it? તેમાં લખેલું આવે છે due date કઈ છે?
આજે રાતે 12 વાગ્યા સુધી.
હા, તો પછી એ તમને ક્યારે દેખાય due date?
આજે સવારે સર.
આજે સવારે, કાલે દેખાય જ નહીં કેમ?
સર એકચ્યુઅલી માં કાલે હું બહાર હતો આખો દિવસ.
ઓકે વેરી ગુડ. તો આજે મેં ફરીથી અસાઇનમેન્ટ આપ્યું છે બરોબર, કે જે લોકો એબસન્ટ હતા એ લોકો માટે હોમવર્ક જે લોકોએ સબમિટ નથી કરાયું એમાં એવું લખ્યું છે હોમવર્ક અંડરસ્કોર પનિશમેન્ટ 9-10. એ આખું વાંચી જજો અને ફરીથી સબમિટ કરાવી દેજો. ઓકે, એ આખું વાંચજો, એમાં એડિશન છે બરોબર, ગઈકાલનું નથી કરવાનું, બીજું બી છે, એક બીજું એક્ઝામ્પલ બી તમારે સમજાવવાનું છે. ઓકે, જે લોકોએ હોમવર્ક નહીં કર્યું હોય એ લોકોને ફરીથી અસાઇનમેન્ટ મળશે. ટોટલ 10 સ્ટુડન્ટને બીજું આજે હોમવર્ક કાલે નથી કર્યું એનું અસાઇનમેન્ટ મેં ફરીથી આપ્યું છે. જસ્ટ ચેક ઇટ એન્ડ યુ કેન અપલોડ ઇટ. once due date is over you will not be allowed to submit your assignment. ઓકે, એટલે એ ધ્યાન રાખજો. આજનું જે હોમવર્ક આવશે એ તમારે સબમિટ કરાવવાનું છે ઇન ધીસ ફોર્મ. આ જે ફોર્મમાં હું જે આન્સર લઈ આવ્યા એ. ઓકે, રૂલ નંબર 1 2 રૂલ નંબર 10 એનું એડિશનલ જે ફાઇનલ આન્સર છે એ હું આપી દઈશ તમને, પણ હું આવી રીતે જે લખ્યું ને એ તમારે લખીને મને આમાં બતાવવાનું છે. વાય આઈ એમ ડુઈંગ સો રેગ્યુલરલી, હવે રેગ્યુલરલી હોમવર્ક આપવાનું એટલા માટે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી છે એ સ્ટુડન્ટ આર જસ્ટ કોપી પેસ્ટિંગ ઇન એક્ઝામિનેશન whatever I have written over here. અહીંયાથી જે હું રાઇટ કરું છું એ બધું જ એ લોકો કોપી પેસ્ટ કરે છે એન્ડ આઈ ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ, બરોબર, એ ઓબ્વિયસલી આ તમારું જ મટીરિયલ છે, યુ કેન ટેક ઇટ, પણ એ કોપી પેસ્ટ કરવા માટે નથી. Okay, I hope this message is clear to everyone. Okay, those who are having any query you can stay here, those who don't have any query they can leave the meeting.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
सर रूल नंबर 10
Thank you,
करो
sir.
ना.
1 minute, let everybody, those who don't have any query they should quit and then we can solve the queries. Those who are having query they can stay here, those who don't have they can leave. Okay, roll number 19 Vatsal, do you have any query?
સર
Hmm.
આપણે શિફ્ટિંગ ટેક ઓફ પોઈન્ટ હતું
Hmm.
વેઇટ ઓફ, એમાં પેલા છે x ની વેલ્યુ rg, ત્યારે આઉટપુટ ની વેલ્યુ બી c is equal to rg છે.
1 minute. So which rule we are talking about?
યસ સર આજ બોલે.
Okay.
એમાં સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં એમ છે કે x ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ r છે, પછી આગળ જતા મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય g સાથે, એટલે આઉટપુટની વેલ્યુ c ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ rg આવી.
Hmm.
હવે પછી આપણે એને બિહાઇન્ડ ધ બ્લોક શિફ્ટ કર્યું તો x ની વેલ્યુ rg આવી ગઈ, પછી પાછું મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે g સાથે, તો આઉટપુટ ચેન્જ થાય.
નહીં, ફીડબેક ક્યાંથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે?
x ની ત્યાંથી rg આવી ગઈ.
રહેશે, અહીંયા નહીં જાય.
ઓકે.
હા, ફીડબેક ધેટ મીન્સ અહીંયાથી લઈને પાછું આપણે બીજી જગ્યાએ આપીએ છીએ. ફીડબેક જનરલી કેવું કરતા હતા, મોટરનો ફીડબેક લીધો બરોબર, એમાં આરપીએમ એ કર્યા અને એ કમ્પેરેટરમાં જાય. આર યુ ગેટિંગ?
હા.
હા, ફોરવર્ડ પાથમાં નહીં જાય, ફીડબેક પાથમાં જશે. ઓકે, રોલ નંબર 14 ડુ યુ હેવ એની ક્વેરી? નો. ઓકે, ક્વેરી કીધું એટલે જતા રહ્યા. 31 યુ હેવ એની ક્વેરી?
सर
Hmm.
सर रूल नंबर 10 करो ना.
Rule number 10. Okay. Yes.
સર મારે થોડું ડ્રો કરવાનું બાકી હતું સર, એટલા માટે.
નહીં, એ તો વિડિયો લેક્ચર જોઈન કરી નાખવાનું, એ તો આપણે કામ આપ્યું છે.
ઓકે સર.
હા,
થેન્ક યુ સર.
ઓકે, યુ કેન લીવ.